In today's video, we are going to show you how to get the lowest fees on Axiom. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. If you are using Axiom and want to reduce the fees you pay on every trade, all you have to do is adjust your buy and sell presets. Now, the buy and sell presets can be found on the top right corner. You see that there's the P1, P2, and P3. Let's say we're going to choose the first option, which is going to be the P1, which stands for the preset 1. Keep in mind that using lower fees may cause your transactions to take longer. In some cases, it may fail during periods of heavy network congestions. But the thing is, it's all about finding the right balance between saving on fees and getting your orders filled. So for you to get the lowest fees on Axiom, you might want to go to the buy settings first. In the buy settings, you have three sections here. The slippage determines how much price movement you are willing to accept before the trade executes. The lower the slippage can help prevent buying at a much higher price, but if it's set too low, the transaction may fail if the market moves quickly. Now, let's change this to something like maybe 20. And then for the priority fee, this is the additional network fee that helps your transaction get processed faster. Lowering it reduces your costs, but your transaction may take longer during busy periods. So we can set this to maybe 1. And then for the bribe, or which is going to be the tip, is an optional extra incentive that can improve transaction priority on supported networks. Reducing or disabling it lowers your overall trading fees, although the execution speed may be affected. So let's say we're going to choose this into 1. And then after adjusting these value based on how you want to minimize your fees, all I have to do now is click the continue button. All right. But before that, you can also do the same process on the sell settings. You just have to adjust it to 20 for your slippage, priority to 1, and then maybe to bribe is around 2. Once you're happy, click the continue button. Remember, you can configure different levels for selling, adjusting the slippage, priority fee, and the bribes values here. Because many traders keeps consistent settings between buying and selling, while others use different presets depending on the market conditions. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to get the lowest fees on Axiom. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.